Are you searching for the best funnel builder? Are you searching for a ClickFunnels alternative? Are you searching for a way to save money on your business and on the tools that you need to actually be profitable? Well, hey guys, my name is Justin Temple, and we're going to be going over the Home Business Academy Funnel Builder. All right, and this is actually my favorite tool in my marketing arsenal. All right, it's my favorite tool, just short of my SEO backlinking and my SEO tools for my videos, because that's what actually generates traffic to my HBA Funnel Builder. So let's get into this video. Who is this for? This is for affiliate marketers, network marketers, internet marketers, course creators, agencies, okay, anyone trying to build their own products, sell their own products, or who is in charge of, like an agency, to build out funnels for other businesses, right? So you can use this for a dentist, you can use this for a real estate agent, you can use this for your home business, you can use this for MLM, you can use this for affiliate marketing, ClickBank, JV Zoo, Warrior Plus, you can use it for all of them, okay? HBA Funnel Builder, let's get into it. So this is the login right here. After you log in, you're literally going to wind up on this page. Now, there is a training for the HBA Funnel Builder. Let me go and click on that real quick. So here's the training that comes along with the HBA Funnel Builder, and it's actually really, really awesome. So it's for anyone that is just starting online. It teaches you how to set up a capture page, how to set up your entire funnel, and it walks you through setting up your Aweber, it walks you through setting up, so here's the onboarding, and then the next module is right here, and then you get all these resources under here, and then, so here's the first 3 videos right here, alright, and then we have the next videos right here, and then here, we have all these. So within your funnel builder training, you can see we have a lot of recorded trainings. These are every week, okay? So it's a lot of stuff, okay? Get response email tips, split testing pages, creating unique graphics, membership sites, exit pop-ups, okay? Lots of training for funnels in here, okay? Lots of training on how to use it and how to actually do it inside a funnel builder. It's not just a presentation of a bullet point saying, oh, make sure to add an exit pop-up. It actually says, click on this, here's how to do it, and you're done. Okay, so it's a real step-by-step training. And then we have live coaching every week, and those live coachings get archived right here. Okay, so and then right here, the funnel builder setup is going to be buying and integrating your custom domain, and also HBA has their own domain buying service through GoDaddy, so you can actually save money. Okay, so actually starting your business with HBA saves you money. Okay, not only does the funnel builder save you money at $25 a month to you, rather than $97 at ClickFunnels. So you're not only saving money, but you're also getting additional saving options inside of HBA with your domain, and then its primary domain integration. So then we teach you how to actually integrate everything so that you get proper email deliverability, all your DKIM settings, your TXT records, which is something that no home business teaches you. If you look at every home business out there, I challenge you to find one, and there are a few, but I challenge you to find any home business program or MLM program that actually teaches you how to go into GoDaddy and edit the at fields and the DKIM records for your email deliverability. And so that's very rarely taught. That's why I like HBA Funnel Builder. For $25 a month, you get some actual training that sets it apart from everyone else and actually gives you real results, real email deliverability, which equals real eyeballs on, real clicks, real opens, then real clicks, then real eyeballs on your offer. So then we can actually add subdomains to Funnel Builder, teach you how to do that. Then we have the next training right here, selecting a great autoresponder. We don't just have one in here, so, and then also get with the person who invited you to HBA. So Home Business Academy does not steal your leads, does not steal your customers, does not promote their own affiliate link on their back end. Okay, so if you do click on this, I think it does take you to their affiliate link, obviously. but it says get back with the person that invited you here. And it's highlighted and it's starred for attention. So if they end up clicking this and buying, I'm sure it will be one of their links, but they do say get back with your affiliate, with your sponsor, okay? So I use Aweber. You can use GetResponse or ActiveCampaign. I recommend Aweber or GetResponse. But yeah, so there's that. So HBA Funnel Builder is more than just a funnel building tool. It actually has complete home business training along with it. So GetResponse integration. So here's all of, add follow-up emails, connect to your form. Here's a sample of the first email follow-up. You can click on this. It'll open a Google document. Yep. And then, so here's an active campaign training, Aweber API, very important. So you can actually integrate 2 different ways, Zapier, and then Traffic Wave. So there's more SendShark as well. So there's a bunch of different integrations, drip, that you can use. So it's not just, so the reason HBA Funnel Builder is a really good tool for you is because it's not just a one-size-fit-all. It's a very, very dynamic tool. It allows you to learn how to use SendShark and Aweber and GetResponse with this tool and has relevant training for it. It doesn't just say, hey, yeah, you can integrate with SendShark. No, it's actually the owner, teaching you how to do it, right? It's how to do it. I'm not going to show you the video. I'm not going to teach you the trainings and reveal the trainings, but it's not just a slideshow presentation. It's real meat and potatoes training. So let's get into the tool. Actually, real quick before we get into the tool, again, it's Home Business Academy. And within Home Business Academy, there's several products. And let me explain this really easily for you. One, they're all high quality and they're all worth buying right now. Second, why should you buy them and what are they? First of all, Freedom Launchpad is the front end funnel that has been created for Home Business Academy. It's Home Business Academy. However, the Freedom Launchpad is just another way to promote it. Okay, so it's just a different funnel for it. So you have 2 funnels for HBA to promote it. So this is a product in itself. It teaches you how to set up the Freedom Launchpad system itself and drive traffic to it. And there's some extra bonuses within there as well, a lot of extra trainings. So that's the Freedom Launchpad. Now there's the HBA Funnel Builder, and that's the main tool, okay? And then we have HBA Premium, which is your main training, okay? So here's how to think about Home Business Academy. There's the front-end funnel builder, which is a front-end tool that anyone can use. It's a great front-end offer for you to give out to your leads and to promote because it's very competitive with ClickFunnels. So it's a very good front-end tool for any internet marketer. And then there is the upsell is the training, the weekly training and the awesome expertise and mentorship that you get with Mike Hobbs and Paul Hutchings. And their weekly trainings, and they're archived, and you get a lot of bonus trainings in there. So this is how to actually drive traffic, how to set things up to convert, email marketing training, video marketing training, how to rank on YouTube, things like that. Okay, Instagram, Facebook, how to chat on Facebook. That's all going to be in here. Okay, that's all going to be your home business success training right here. Every week there's trainings. Okay, so start over again. We got the front-end funnel builder for anyone to use, internet marketers, right? Then we have training to make that successful for the home-based business industry. And then we have the high-ticket product, which is financial literacy, which is how to set up an LLC, how to avoid paying so much money in taxes, how to buy houses, how to take your profits from your home business and reinvest into real estate. So it's a very, very congruent and really make sense, no-brainer system for the Home Business Academy Funnel Builder. These are not the Funnel Builder. You can use the Funnel Builder all by itself without buying any of these, okay? You don't have to buy Freedom Launchpad. You don't have to buy HBA Premium or Financial Literacy to be a member of Funnel Builder, okay? So Funnel Builder, the front-end product, This is the training for the product and how to be successful, and then this is how to take your profits and be even more successful and protect your money. Now, Freedom Launchpad is the additional funnel to help promote these. Okay, so affiliate, you can. This is your affiliate back office on Samcart. Okay. And so here's your Samcart login, and then here's how to be an affiliate, and here's all your affiliate quick start guides, some email examples, whatnot. So I'm not going to go through all that. I'm not going to let you pause and look at all of it. So go ahead and check out the HBA Funnel Builder. Go ahead and click the link down below. There's a lot of value within it. But let's go ahead and get into the building of the websites real quick. I got a few minutes left in this video. So it's really easy to use this tool. Click on funnels. You know, obviously you're going to take some time to learn this, but it's real easy. You just go down here, add a new step. You're going to click on page, and then you can click on any of these pages. They're done for you templates, and then there's sections for you. There's templates specifically for other funnels and other programs. So it's really cool. We actually allow you to, like, if you have a program and a funnel and you want to put it onto the HBA Funnel Builder for your team, you can just contact the owners, Mike and Paul, and they'll put it on there for you if you're successful enough and it's really going to be good enough. Okay, so it's very flexible. The owners of this company are very flexible, very flexible. You can suggest stuff. They're very open-minded. That's why I love this company. Or this tool and company. So let's get into this. Let's do test. And you can do membership sites. You can do simple funnels, 2-page funnels, and you can do e-com sites. Okay, so let's go ahead and just do a heading. Okay, so here, and then here, bring this down real quick. Alright, so we're going to have a little here. Then we can go ahead and copy this real quick. We can just copy the whole column, add that up there. And what we're going to do is we're going to make it black. Here, here, here. I'm going to say, attention, struggling marketers. Alright, here, boom. Now, it's going to take me a minute to do this, and you can see that it's really easy for me to actually go ahead and do this. But I'm just trying to go through it as quickly as possible. Do something simple. Alright, then you're going to have like a, let's see, what's this video at? 13. Alright, so, well, you can see how simple it is. You can add all these widgets, video, countdown timer, map, if you're doing like a local store or something like that, progress bar, booking, right? Oh, and then there's also your own booking within HBA Funnel Builder, so you don't even need Calendly. You don't even need to pay for any booking service. You can do it all within HBA Funnel Builder right here, the appointments. Okay. So stay and save real quick right there. And then, oh, also another thing about HBA Funnel Builder is you're going to be able to integrate your domain. So see how my domain, it's not hba.funnelbuilder.random, you know, ID name. It's my actual domain right here. Okay, so right here you can actually integrate your domain. I have 2 of them right here, Postcard Lifestyle and Justin Leon Temple. So yeah, it's a really simple tool. I love it, and it's the #1 thing that I use to promote my business. You can go ahead and check out the team bonuses down below for anyone that joins my HBA team. Go ahead and check those down below. Click the link for sure. See how I build my pages, and if you are interested in learning how to build a home-based business successfully, check out the link down below, justinleontemple.com. Check out my team bonuses, and I look forward to working with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been my Home Business Academy Funnel Builder review. Real quick, it's my favorite tool. I love the owners of this tool. I love Mike Hobbs and Paul Hutchings. I love how amazing and easy this is. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notifications, and if you have any questions, let me know. Again, my name is Justin Temple. Have a great